Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video we will be talking about birds. Birds belong to the class Aves in phylum Chordata. Whether they fly or not, what makes birds one of a kind is that they have feathers. No other animal has feathers. Instead of teeth, they have bills or beaks which help them to feed. In common with other vertebrates, they do have a backbone, and like mammals, they are warm blooded. That is, the temperature of their body does not vary with the temperature outside. The main feature of feathers. Generally, feathers are of two kinds. First, contour feathers. Contour feathers are large and help birds to fly. Second, down feathers are small and fluffy, which helps to keep the bird warm. Feathers have a central shaft and its two sides are called veins. The branches on each vein are called barbs, and these barbs have further small branches called barbules. As you can see, this is the central shaft, and right here is a branch. This is a branch, and the small branches coming out of it are the barbules. These minute branches coming out of the branch are called the barbules. Why humans can't fly and birds can? The bones of birds are hollow so that they are light and are able to fly. On the other hand, the reason humans can't fly is that they are heavy and their muscles don't have the strength to lift them up. The quick rate at which a bird's heart pumps blood allows them to flap their wings. Where a human heart only has 60 to 80 beats a minute, a hummingbird's heart can beat up to 1200 times a minute. A bird's eye view. Birds have sharper eyesight than us humans. From a height of 100 feet, the birds can easily spot their prey. As for different distances, birds can adjust their focus to see clearly, much faster than animals. An eagle eye can stare into the sun, and this is because, like all birds, they have transparent third eye called the nictitating membrane. Instead of going up and down, it moves from left to right. It also saves the eyes of owls from the harsh rays of the sun. Here's an example of the movement of the nictitating membrane in an eagle's eye. Migration of birds. Birds fly regularly in particular seasons from one place to another in search of food, warmer weather, or to breed. This seasonal journey is called migration of birds. Some of the migratory birds are: first, the Arctic tern, and second, the swallows, and third, the sandpiper, and other many numerous birds. Why do birds build nests? Birds build nests in order to lay or incubate, or the process of a bird sitting on eggs in order to keep them warm and bring them to hatching, and at last care for the eggs for ensuring that the species survives. It takes 21 days on average for an egg to hatch once incubation begins. How do birds build nests? With only their beaks, their feet, and with what's around them, birds put in a lot of hard work to build the most unique nests. They collect small twigs and make a pattern which results in building a nest. Not all birds build nests. For instance, the Australian brush turkey merely buries its eggs in leaves so that the heat that comes from the decaying vegetation warms them. Some birds also lay their eggs on bare rocks like the murres. There are also birds which do not build their own nest and lay their eggs in other birds' nest. For example, the cuckoo bird. The cuckoo bird lays their eggs on other nest, and the bird of that nest incubates them and are also reared by them. Bird bonding. After a small bird cracks out of the eggshell, a period known as imprinting starts, where a bird bonds with its mother for necessary learning. When a bird or chick comes out of the egg, the first thing it sees it thinks as its mother, so it begins to imitate it and learn its ways. What do birds eat? Birds eat snails, grass, seeds, millets, nuts, smaller birds, and fishes. It depends on the birds and the time of the year. There are birds like pigeons who eat snails, rice, seeds, etc. And there are also birds who are predators for other animals, like the eagles, who eat small rats or grasshoppers, etc. There are also birds like the vulture who are scavengers and eat other animals' kills. For example, a hyena killed a deer and left it, the vulture would feed on that deer. Wing movement of birds. The shape of wing and the ability to move it through the air are the two things needed for a bird to fly. Birds use their strong breast muscles to flap their wings, and this gives them the thrust to move through air and fly. When a bird flies, its wings make two kinds of movements. It goes down, then it goes up. In the downstroke movement, the wing feathers overlap so no air can pass through. The wings push air downwards and back, propelling the bird through the air. In the upstroke movement, the feathers twist open, allowing the air to pass through, making it easier to lift the wing. Here's an image which shows the air movement in both of the wing movements. Birds change their directions with the help of their wings. They maintain their up-down movement to stay in the air. They also do soaring, or they take advantage of air current to help hold them up. So basically, after a bit of movement, birds fly with the help of air, as air current can lift very light objects like feathers and hollow bones. With this, I would like to end my video with some amazing bird facts. That's it guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.